Every entrepreneur dreams of creating a product that becomes a household name, but few have achieved the global recognition and success of Red Bull. Today, we dive into the story of how a startup went from obscurity to becoming the world's leading energy drink. Our story begins in the 1980s. Dietrich Mateschitz, an Austrian marketer, found himself in Thailand, battling jet lag. He stumbled upon a local tonic called Krating Ding, which means Red Bull in Thai. This drink, popular among truck drivers and factory workers, revitalized him. Mateschitz said, "There's something special here. This isn't just another drink." Mateschitz saw potential. He partnered with Chelio Uvidia, the drink's creator, and together they adapted the formula and branding for a Western audience. But it wasn't smooth sailing. The early days were tough. The taste was unfamiliar. The concept of an energy drink was new. Sales were sluggish. Many startups would have folded under the pressure, but Mateschitz wasn't deterred. He believed in the product. He knew he needed a unique approach, and so Red Bull's legendary marketing strategy was born. Instead of traditional advertising, Red Bull became synonymous with extreme sports, music festivals, and boundary-pushing events. They didn't just sell a drink, they sold a lifestyle, an attitude, a call to give wings to people and ideas. Red Bull taught us that it's not just about the product, it's about the story you tell. As the years passed, the world changed. The demand for energy skyrocketed. Students, professionals, athletes, everyone sought that extra boost, and Red Bull was there, ready to fuel their ambitions. From Europe to America, Asia to Africa, Red Bull's expansion was relentless. They tweaked their formula and branding to cater to local tastes, but the core message remained: Red Bull gives you wings. But success didn't make them complacent. Mateschitz knew that innovation was key. Red Bull began diversifying: music studios, media production, even a Formula One team. They weren't just an energy drink company, they were a global brand. The journey of Red Bull is a testament to the power of vision, resilience, and innovative marketing. From a small startup struggling to find its footing to a global powerhouse, Red Bull's story is a beacon for entrepreneurs everywhere. So, to every entrepreneur watching, embrace challenges, believe in your vision, and remember, every big dream starts with a simple idea and the courage to pursue it. Who knows, your startup might just be the next Red Bull, waiting to spread its wings and soar. Lessons from the Red Bull phenomenon. In the vast landscape of global brands, few have managed to carve out a niche as distinct and influential as Red Bull. From its origins in Thailand to its meteoric rise as a global powerhouse, the story of Red Bull is a masterclass in branding, innovation, and entrepreneurial tenacity. As we delve into the lessons gleaned from Red Bull's success, entrepreneurs everywhere can find inspiration and actionable insights to apply to their own ventures. 1. Recognize potential in the unfamiliar. When Dietrich Mateschitz stumbled upon Krating Ding, a local tonic in Thailand, he didn't dismiss it as a mere regional specialty. Instead, he saw potential. The lesson here is clear. Sometimes, the most groundbreaking ideas are found in the most unexpected places. Entrepreneurial takeaway: keep an open mind. Whether you're traveling, reading, or simply conversing with someone from a different background, be receptive to new ideas and concepts. What seems foreign or unfamiliar today might just be the next big thing tomorrow. 2. Adaptation is key. Red Bull's journey from Krating Ding to the iconic silver and blue can we recognize today wasn't a straightforward rebranding. Mateschitz and his team adapted the drink's formula, taste, and branding to cater to Western preferences. Entrepreneurial takeaway: understand your target audience and be willing to pivot while staying true to your product's core value proposition. Don't be afraid to make changes that enhance its appeal to a broader or different audience. 3. Dare to be different. In the early days of energy drinks, the concept was novel. Instead of shying away from its uniqueness, Red Bull embraced it. Their marketing campaigns were unlike anything seen before, associating the brand with extreme sports, adventure, and pushing boundaries. Entrepreneurial takeaway: carve out a unique brand identity. In a saturated market, standing out is crucial. Don't just follow trends, set them. 4. Storytelling matters. Red Bull sold more than just an energy drink. They sold a story, a lifestyle. Their tagline, "Gives you wings," encapsulated a narrative of ambition, drive, and breaking limits. Entrepreneurial takeaway: craft a compelling narrative around your product or service. People resonate with stories, so give them one that they can believe in and aspire to. 5. Diversify and innovate. Red Bull didn't rest on its laurels. They diversified into music studios, media production, and even sports teams. This not only expanded their revenue streams, but also solidified their brand's presence in various sectors. Entrepreneurial takeaway: always look for avenues to expand and innovate. Whether it's branching into a new product line or exploring a different market segment, keep the momentum going. 6. Community engagement is crucial. Red Bull events, whether they were extreme sports competitions or music festivals, fostered a sense of community. Fans didn't just consume the drink, they lived the Red Bull experience. Entrepreneurial takeaway: engage with your audience. Host events, create online communities, or simply interact with them on social media. Building a loyal customer base is invaluable. 7. Resilience in the face of adversity. Red Bull faced its fair share of challenges. From initial sluggish sales to controversies over health concerns, however, they remained resilient, addressing issues head-on and staying committed to their vision. Entrepreneurial takeaway: every venture will face hurdles. The key is to remain steadfast, learn from mistakes, and always keep your end goal in sight. 8. Global vision with local sensibilities. As Red Bull expanded globally, they tweaked their formula and branding to cater to local tastes. This ensured that while they had a global presence, they resonated with local audiences. Entrepreneurial takeaway: when expanding, do thorough market research. Understand local preferences, cultures, and sensibilities. The one-size-fits-all approach rarely works on a global scale. Red Bull is a testament to the power of vision, adaptability, and relentless drive. As entrepreneurs chart their own paths, these lessons serve as a beacon, guiding them through challenges and towards success. In the words of Mateskits himself, every big dream starts with a simple idea and the courage to pursue it. So, to all the budding entrepreneurs out there, spread your wings and soar.